A survey was conducted to determine the popularity of 3 foods among students. The data collected from 75 students are summarized above. What is the number of students who like none or only one of the foods? Given the table, 48 like pizza, 45 like hoagies, 58 like tacos, 28 like pizza and hoagies, 37 like hoagies and tacos, 40 like pizza and tacos, 25 like all 3 foods. This question can be exceptionally difficult if you approach it from the wrong perspective. It looks like it's a 3-part Venn diagram, and it is, technically speaking, a 3-part Venn diagram, but you wouldn't necessarily use the standard formula. It's much easier to do this question graphically. So the first thing, draw your 3-part Venn diagram. So I'll say that this part is hoagies, which has to equal 45 total. So that means the part that's single counted right here, this part and this part are double counted, and this part is triple counted. All of this has to add to 45 ultimately. Then we'll say that this is tacos, that has to be 58. So likewise, what you're looking at is this part single counted, these 2 parts double counted, and this part triple counted have to yield 58 total. And now the third part is pizza, so we'll say that that is 48 according to the question. Just as with the others, single counted, double counted, and triple counted all have to add to 48. And of course, if you realize you're double counting and triple counting, you add 45 plus 48 plus 58, 151, which is obviously greater than 75. So all of these together, if we added them individually, so this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this would have to yield 75. So the first step I'm going to take is pizza would include, that's pizza and hoagies. We've got pizza and tacos. We've got pizza and hoagies, pizza and tacos, and then also pizza and tacos and hoagies. And then the hoagies would include, and then of course if we did the same thing for tacos, we'd get, remember that each circle, so each circle adds to this. Now, the first one, all right, the pizza has to yield 48 total, the tacos has to yield 58 total, and the hoagies has to yield 45 total. If we look at this graphically, what that's telling me is that we've got 25 from these numbers is all 3. Now, we know that we've got pizza and tacos yields 40, but 25 of those are here. They're triple counted and double counted, so I can put that as 15. So this one's taken away. Now 37 like hoagies and tacos. So that's 25 already counted, so we've got 12 more here to make 37. 28 like pizza and hoagies. So what that means is that we've got 25 already counted, so we've got 3 here. And we can take that one out. Now 58 like tacos, but we've got 40, 52, all right, 6 more here to make 58 liking tacos. 45 like hoagies, which means we've got 37 between 12 and 25. 40, which means that's got to be 5. And then we've got pizza is 48, so that's 25 and 15 is 40, 43, so that's another 5. Now, what we need to do is add all of these numbers and see how that relates to 75. Starting from the center top, go around clockwise, we get 12 plus 6 plus 15 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus the center 25, and that's going to be 71. So that would imply that 4 not included. What is the number of students who like none? That's the 4 we just calculated. And only 1, that's going to be here, here, and here. 5 plus 6 plus 5, 20 total. And so the answer, of course, is D.